everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever messed up a craft project and ended up wasting a perfectly good t-shirt or something? I sometimes forget to mirror my designs, or I leave the heat press on too long and completely mess up the HTV. But no worries today. I'm going to show you how to fix those mistakes and get your t-shirt back to a blank slate. The tools we'll need are super simple. I'm using the HTVRONT Heat Press Mini 3 because it's small. Works on all kinds of things. You'll also need some weeding tools like tweezers, and high-temp gloves, a piece of adhesive vinyl backing to remove any residue, and a sheet of parchment paper. Once you've got everything, let's get started. First, set the temperature to 340 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're worried about the heat, throw on those high-temp gloves. Then slide the Mini 3 inside the t-shirt so the heating plate is against your design from the inside. After it heats up a bit, you can easily peel off the HTV with your tools. It's seriously easy, quick, and kind of satisfying. Just heat press wherever you need to remove the HTV, but watch out for that hot plate. Alright, so now you've got a blank t-shirt again. But it's not totally perfect. You'll notice that even though the HTV is gone, there's still some residue left behind. No worries, we can fix that too. Use a backing from adhesive vinyl, and we'll use it to lift off the residue. Just like before, slide the Mini 3 inside the t-shirt, heat it up, and then press the backing onto the sticky residue. You can use tweezers or a scraper to help the residue to the backing better. Or just wear those high-temp gloves and press it down. You'll see a lot of that residue transferring onto the backing. Since my design was pretty big, so it's not completely spotless, but compared to how it looked before, it's way cleaner. Curved objects like hats can be tricky to heat from the back. But here's a simple trick: just use a piece of parchment paper to heat it up. After about 20 seconds, you'll be able to peel off the HTV with no problem. Super easy, right? Just keep doing that, and you'll have a hat ready for another DIY project in no time. That's it for today. If you've got a better method, drop it in the comments. And if you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.